Flash flood warning for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Mercer and Venango.
Flash warning. Sit.
National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Pennsylvania, Northwestern Venango County in Northwestern Pennsylvania.
Oh, fuck, it's
until
there. That's my area.
3:45 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen on saturated ground. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hermitage, Sharon, Sharpsville, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, Stoneboro, Sandy Lake, Clark, Wheelan, Fredonia, Cooperstown, Utica, New Lebanon, Sheakleyville, Morris K. Goddard State Park, and Oil Creek State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning.